Muscles coil like steel cable. The leopard's gaze is fixed, a predator's lock that cannot be broken. The leopard's weight shifts, a single explosive strike. The impala is caught in a vice. Panic ripples through the herd as they vanish into the dust. The male impala is a tempest of power. He anchors his weight, holding the gasping impala with all his might, as the terrified herd dissolves into a chaotic, dust-filled moment of flight, abandoning their companion to the predator. Victory is claimed in the dirt, but victory attracts the shadows. 3 spotted hyenas, the opportunists of the plains. The leopard snarls, defending his hard-earned prize. The numbers are against him. He leaves the carcass and vanishes into the vertical safety of the bark. Perched high, the leopard is now untouchable. He has kept his life, but his belly remains empty. The sun becomes a relentless, searing eye. The leopard's ribs begin to map the story of his failure. Every movement is now a calculation of dwindling calories. He watches the horizon, his amber eyes searching for a ghost. The savannah is a desert when the stomach is empty. A new shadow moves below, warthogs. He adjusts his position on the branch. He waits until the perfect moment, the precise heartbeat. He falls from the sky, a collision of fur and grit. The warthog squeals, a piercing alarm that shatters the silence. The leopard locks on, refusing to let go. The struggle is primal, a test of will. At last, the warthog goes still. But the bush has eyes. A lioness emerges. She does not ask. She takes. The leopard is a phantom, retreating once more to the thorns. Another day of bitter, gnawing emptiness. The shadows of the trees stretch like fingers across the parched earth. He is a master of the shadows, yet the shadows offer no meat. Each hour is a theft of his remaining strength. The wind carries the scent of life. The hunger is now a burning fire within his chest. He cannot afford another mistake. The leopard's mind is a narrow blade of focus. He prepares for the next gamble. Now, a greater challenge, the wildebeest. They are heavy, dangerous, and fast. He strikes a massive bull, but the weight is too much. He is thrown into the dirt, his pride wounded. He scrambles up, lungs burning, and pursues the gray beast. Another leap, another grab, but the wildebeest is an engine of momentum. The leopard loses his grip. The herd thunders away, leaving only a cloud of failure. He returns to his branch, a shattered silhouette. His energy is spent. The frustration is a physical weight. He is invisible, yet he is dying. Day turns to cold night, and the cycle repeats. The golden grass whispers of meals that do not come. His once glossy coat grows dull with the dust of waiting. Hunger is not just a feeling, it is a hollow, aching echo in the bones. A predator without a kill is a ghost in waiting. Then the impala return. This time, there is no room for pride. He waits. He does not rush the moment. A female impala wanders near, smaller, vulnerable. The herd remains oblivious, though the air itself feels heavy with intent. One mistake means days of hunger, one success, the continuation of a legacy. The leopard pounces with a ferocity born of near death. He is an animal possessed. The grip is absolute. The bite is final. The life leaves the impala in a quiet sigh. He scans the horizon for thieves. His heart hammering against his ribs. No hyenas, no lions. Today, the luck has turned. He takes the carcass in his jaws, the weight a welcome burden. He hauls the prize up the trunk, every muscle screaming. He reaches the high fork, the sanctuary of the sky. He begins to eat, a frantic, starving pace. The meat is life. He is battered and drained, yet he stands as proof that the wild rewards not the swiftest, but the one who can endure 1,000 failures for a single, life-sustaining victory.